Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, today we will discuss about 2 into 1 multiplexer. So you can see here its circuit. So what is a multiplexer? So multiplexer is the circuit that transfer only one input at the output. And how it transfer, you will understand this here. You can see here this is the multiplexer block 2 into 1, it having 2 input and 1 output and 1 select line. So how input is transferred from so this is decided by the select line. Okay, how select line is defined? Select line define n equal to 2 की power select line. So if here is the 2 input, here is the n is the number of input. So 2 input, we will put the 2 at the place of n. Okay, then we will get 2 की power 1, then 2 की power 1 equal to 2 की power s. Now s equal to 1. So here is the select line 1. If here is the input line 4, then what will happen? N equal to 4 and 4 can be written like 2 की power 2. So in this condition, what will be the s value? S value will be 2. Okay, if here would be 8, so number of input is 8, so n equal to 8 and 8 can be written like 2 की power 3. So s equal to 3. So here is the 2 input, select line is 1. Now select line may be 0 or 1. So here you can see if select line 0, so input I0 will be transferred at the output Y. If select line 1, then input I1 will be transferred to the Y. Okay. So at one time only one input line will be available on the output and its output value will be equal to input value, selected input value. Whether it is 0, then output will be 0, and if the input is 1, then output will be 1. Now we see the logic circuit of this. So you can see here there is a 2 AND gate, 1 OR gate and 1 NOT gate. So we give the I1 to this and I1 I0 to this, and select line we distributed, here is the direct and here is through the NOT gate. So what will happen? If s equal to 0, then what will happen? 0 come here. So if 0 come here, then input is 1 or 0, there will be no effect on the output of AND gate. So here will be 0 only. If the 0 is here, so here will be 1, and if it is 1, then output will be transferred 1 here, then it will be come at the output. If it is 0, then 0 will be here and 1 will be here, so output will be 0 and get output, and here output will be also 0. It is already 0. Okay, so this is the logic circuit of this. Now we understand this with the practical circuit of 2 into 1 multiplexer. So this is the some complex circuit using the CMOS, NAND gate, AND gate and NOT gate. So this is the select line, this is input 2, this is input 1. Now we select and this is output. We select the select line 0. So what will happen? Input in 1 will be select and output will be changed according to the input 1, and there will be no effect of input 2 at the output because we have selected only input 1. So now we see, if the input high, output is if the input is low, output is low. If the input high, then output is high. So you can see high, low, high, low. Now we see the effect of input 2 at the output. So there will be no effect at the output of input 2 because it is not selected. Input 1 only selected, input 2 is not selected. So now we change the input 2. So you can see there is a no change at the output. Output only change according to the input 1 because input 1 is selected. Now we put the select line 1. It means high. So what will happen? Now input 2 will select and input 1 will deselect. There will be no effect on output of input 1. So here is, you can see, here is high, output is also high. If here is low, output low. So you can see only input 2 is in the picture. You can see now we change the input 1. So there will be no effect on output of input 1. You can change. First it is low, so there this is high. If I make it high, so there will be no effect on output. Okay. So only effect by input 2. So this is the multiplexer. I hope you got this video, and if you got this video, so please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the coming video. And I would like to tell you one thing more. Which line is green, that means it is high line, high input or high line. Input there is a logic 1 at the line. Where is the line is violet, so you can understand this line will be low at logic low. Okay, here is the high, so up to here is the high, but after the NOT gate it is violet, so it is low. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.